Now, in this week's edition of Let's Talk Some Star Wars, we'll be taking a look at the results of the poll that asked the question, with less than a week to go until its release, how do you feel about the rise of Skywalker? All of that said, let's take a look at the results, where we'll see that 34% of the some 64,000 voters said that they fall somewhere in the middle, and are somewhat excited and or somewhat doubtful about this movie. 22% said that they're not all that excited or mostly doubtful, while 25% said not excited at all and have no hope. On the other side of things, we had 11% saying they were mostly excited and or had only a few doubts, while 8% said they were super excited and felt confident it was going to be a great movie. Alright, let's now move on to this comment from Palpameme, which is a great name by the way, who had this to say. I'll just say this. This is the first movie I've avidly followed and sought out leaks for. Any other film, be it The Last Jedi, Solo, I still had that small voice in the back of my head saying, but do you really want it spoiled? And the answer would be no. Even Solo, which I was not particularly excited for and didn't even go see in the theaters, I still had a little bit of quizzical wonder as it began. I still wanted watching it to be my first experience of it. It says a lot that I have seen all the leaks for The Rise of Skywalker, and I still do not feel anything for this movie. And it's funny what a few years and a few movies can do, because during the lead up to The Force Awakens, if anyone tried to tell me anything even remotely spoiler-like, I'd plug my ears like a child and make loud noises if need be to not hear it. Now if someone's like, hey Thor, did you hear the latest spoiler for The Rise of Skywalker? I'm like, well no, but you know what, just go ahead and tell me. I mean, yes, it's unfortunate, to put it very mildly, that this is what the sequel trilogy is and has done to the fan base, but maybe, hopefully, this means things will be better in the long run, that they'll truly learn from their mistakes and the right people will soon be running the show and directing the future of this franchise. Well, that's all I've got for this time. Now it's your turn to tell me how you feel about The Rise of Skywalker that, as we speak, is now starting to release around the world. Or let me know what you thought about what I or anyone else had to say in this video. Either way, leave a comment below and let's talk some Star Wars. And until next time, thanks for watching.